Which green laser sight for your pistol is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, EZ-Shoot 800 Lumens Pistol Light Laser Combo. First up is the EZ-Shoot 800 Lumens Pistol Light Laser Combo, priced at $25.99. What caught my attention is its impressive dual functionality as both a flashlight and a laser. If you want a solid all-in-one solution for your pistol, this is worth a serious look. This combo packs an 800 lumen flashlight with a throw of 160 meters and a green laser that reaches up to 200 meters during the day and 2,000 meters at night. This means you can easily aim and illuminate your target even in low-light conditions, which is crucial for personal defense. Plus, it's compatible with most Glock models and has adjustable light modes, letting you switch between flashlight only, laser only, or both. Battery life is decent too. You can expect about 60 to 75 minutes for the flashlight and 12 hours for the laser alone. Now, some people complained about its fit on subcompact models, saying it doesn't work well if your gun doesn't have the right rail. Here's the thing though, if you're using a standard Glock or a similar pistol, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you need an affordable, lightweight option for home defense. Skip this one if you have a subcompact pistol or prefer a more specialized laser sight. For the price, it's a solid investment for enhanced visibility and targeting. Product number 2, CRONHAWK 500 Lumens Tactical Weapon Flashlights Laser Sight. Next up is the CRONHAWK 500 Lumens Tactical Weapon Flashlights Laser Sight, retailing for $23.99. I was impressed by its affordable price and robust features. If you're looking for versatility in a compact package, this one's worth checking out. It has a built-in 800 mAh rechargeable battery that can be charged while mounted on your firearm, saving you time and hassle. It operates for about 1.5 hours on a full charge, which is solid for most scenarios. However, some users mention that it's not suitable for subcompact pistols. But let's be real, if you have a compact or full-size pistol, this shouldn't be an issue, and the build quality makes it a worthy option. This is great for anyone who values ease of use and versatility in tactical situations. Skip it if you own a subcompact or want something with longer battery life. For its price, it's a great value for what you get. Product number 3, Sawlawfish Aluminum 500 LM Pistol Laser Light Combo. Coming in at number 3 is the Sawlawfish Aluminum 500 LM Pistol Laser Light Combo, priced at $35.99. What caught my eye is its sleek design and lightweight build. If you want a compact yet powerful option, this is worth a serious look. The green laser beam is visible even at 1,000 feet at night, which is impressive. Plus, it's rechargeable in just 1.5 hours, giving you 5 hours of laser use, perfect for those extended nights at the range or out in the field. However, some reviews pointed out that the installation process can be a bit finicky, especially if you don't have the right rail size. Here's the thing though, once it's set up properly, it performs exceptionally well. This is perfect for you if you want a laser that's small and easy to use. Skip it if you're not comfortable with the installation process or need something with more robust mounting options. For what it offers, this is a solid investment. Product number 4, SOLOFISH Green Red Blue Laser Sight for Pistol. Next, we have the SOLOFISH Green Red Blue Laser Sight for Pistol, coming in at just $18.95. The price is definitely a big draw here. If you want a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on visibility, this could be the right choice. This laser sight is easy to install with a single screw and compatible with a 21 Picatinny rail. The bright green laser can be seen clearly up to 1,000 feet at night, making it a reliable choice for low-light conditions. Plus, it's rechargeable, which is a nice perk and saves you money on batteries over time. It's lightweight, weighing in at only 1.59 oz, so it won't weigh down your firearm. Some users expressed concerns about the durability of the materials, mentioning that it feels a bit flimsy. But look, for the price point, you're getting a solid option that does the job well. This is perfect for you if you need an economical laser sight without a lot of fuss. Skip this if you're expecting a high-end product or if you need something extremely rugged. It's definitely a good value for the price. Product number 5. Votado H3 LG Green Laser Sight. Finally, we have the Votado H3 LG Green Laser Sight priced at $39.99. The aluminum construction really grabbed my attention. If durability is your main concern, this one could be the right pick for you. The Votado features a Class EEA green laser output that's highly visible up to 200 meters during the day and 2,000 meters at night. It's designed to withstand recoil from firearms, which is a huge plus for anyone who practices regularly. The built-in magnetic USB charging is super convenient, letting you charge it without removing it from your gun. Plus, it has an ambidextrous control design, making it user-friendly for both left and right-handed shooters. Some users have noted that it may not fit all holster types due to its low profile. But honestly, if you're using it primarily on the range or for home defense, this shouldn't deter you. This is perfect for you if you need a durable and reliable laser sight for your pistol. Skip it if you require something that fits compact holsters perfectly. Considering its features, it's a decent investment for serious shooters. So there you have it, the top 5 green laser sights for pistols. From the budget-friendly EZ Shoot to the durable Votado, each offers unique features to fit different needs. Remember to consider what's most important for you, whether it's price, visibility, or durability. Happy shooting!